Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera. Case be stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, okay? And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support, okay? So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I made this sweet vegetable yam porridge. All right, so please guys, help your girl get to 500 subscribers this month. Help me, I know we can do it, okay? Thank you so much. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let me introduce you my ingredients for this recipe. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, comment and share. All right, let's get started. So guys, to make this sweet, I'm going to stir this. Okay, if you are watching me up to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Help your girl get to 500 subscribers this month. All right, I know you guys can do it. Thank you so much guys, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.